Yeah, it looks ghetto as all get out, but it works.
I mean, if it works, it works.
I mean, it literally is spark plugs capping off these lines.
Whenever they were working on Nick's Z01, there was a vacuum line that they didn't have a spot for. They had to delete it, but instead of doing it, they just stuck a spark plug in it for a temporary fix.
Huh.
That looks like it'd work great.
It doesn't look like it's leaked at all.
Awesome. You got a little bit of me on your car now.
A little bit of you. I got the Z spark plugs inside of my car. So it's got 8 spark plugs. Does that make it a V8 yet?
Damn it. I wasn't expecting that joke.
Is there a chance I could try and see if this fits?
What?
This harness bar?
Yeah, if you want to.
Not to knock anything over. Alright, let's see if this fits.
The biggest part is making sure that it lines up with your upper. The bottom is adjustable. Man, this thing's brand new and you're gonna beat it up like that?
I really did not mean to.
I know, I'm just messing with you. Where do your upper seat belts go?
These ones.
Those?
Yeah.
Hang on, I need some more over here. Fit?
No.
I'll try and get it to line up.
That lines up now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So yeah, this would work for you. There's no way to officially tell until you install it.
Well, I've got two bolts.
So far, it's looking pretty decent.
Well, I'm gonna go grab my seatbelt bolts.
Let me see if I have the hardware for it.
I know I have the hardware for my seatbelt deals.
Stick that over there.
Are these for it?
Yeah.
That's fancy.
I have some hardware for the harness bar. I just gotta figure out where I put it. I've had a lot of stuff piling up over time.
Well, this is a harness bar. If y'all don't know what that is, that's basically the bar that holds the backside of a 4-point or 5-point harness. And my car doesn't have a cage or anything in it like that, so I can't build an integrated one. So I have to have a harness bar. So I'm checking to see if Daniel's works, and if his doesn't work, then I'll have to go get one. But if his works, I can just use that and then pay him for it, which would be a lot easier because that one doesn't fit his car, and he bought it thinking it would. So if it works on my car, then that would make my life and his life both easier.
If it doesn't work, everybody, harness bar for sale.
Yeah, harness bar for sale if it doesn't work, but I really feel like I'm just gonna make it work. All right, so now I'm gonna try putting this smug on there. All right, there's one bolt, and now I can grab the other bolt. It's in. It's in better now.
You got the bottom in?
Nope, just the top.
Did it bend it?
No, it actually looks like it might fit good.
Well, it's universal. My car just decided to be different. It's made for 2+2s, not 2-seaters. That's why. Like, it can go in sedans or 2+2s.
The only problem down here, I'm just trying to figure out, oh, that's where it goes. All right, that goes there, this goes here. Bam, all right, that's gonna work.
Hey.
More sound deadening?
Yep, don't know, it's hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah.
That's heavy.
I know.
It's like extremely heavy.
That's like maybe like 6 square inches.
That's one thing that so many people fake on is weight savings.
Weight savings also takes a lot of effort and devalues your car.
Well, my car was $600 when I bought it, so.
Mine blew up, so I mean.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, I was almost scared there for a second that I didn't know that these would fit. Freaking bam. All right, so.
Well, that was a good experiment.
What?
Using an adhesive remover wheel to get the sound deadening out. Or like the adhesive that holds it on. I was told to use this to remove that, but all it's doing is heating it up and smearing it. So I'm gonna just paint over it.
Yeah, no reason.
That's what I was planning on doing anyway.
Yeah, no reason why not. I did it on mine. All right, and for the harness bar, I'm gonna extend it just enough to reach, and bam, it reaches. But it is depressing though. I don't think I have enough threads on this bolt. Well, at least I can get the bar on, and then from there, I'll just unscrew these, or actually, I'll put this here, and I'm gonna have to get new bolts so that way they fit in the bolts down here. But you get the idea. The harness bar is gonna work, it's just it won't work right now because those bolts aren't gonna work yet. So all I gotta do is get these bolts right here and the harness bar will be mounted perfect. All right, so I did something. Oh wait, my camera. So I did something and I didn't show y'all because I did it kind of late at night. You ready for it? Look at that. The cowl hood is on the car. Look at it. It looks so amazing on this car. Dang, that thing looks dope. I cannot wait until this car is all one color. Man, I really can't wait for it. But what I'm doing now is taking out the deck lid because mine had a spoiler on it stock. And there's holes right here, and these holes are extremely hard to patch up. And right here, the fiberglass is just like coming apart. So I need to take this trunk off, and once I take it off, I'll replace it with the other one. That way you're getting it more closer and closer to paint. So can't wait for that. All right, so continuing what we did last night, I'm going to take this deck lid and install it to my truck, or my car, I guess. It's not my truck. Oh boy, oh boy. All right. Oh, and there's more. Finally. All right, so this is trash. Let's get this deck lid open. Easiest way to do it's gonna be from this side so I don't scratch up anything. Oh, it's got a chunk of the fiberglass taken out of it. That's great. Well, the only reason I ordered this one is because in the pictures, it showed that there was no holes in the deck lid. So hopefully that's what it actually is. Yep, there we go. No holes. That's nice. Okay, I'm actually really happy about that. I could live with the fiberglass being messed up because the deck lid has no holes in it. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on the car. All right, it's currently raining, but like, I don't think I care quite yet. All right, so I'm gonna get a flathead. Here we go. And then I'm gonna need the impact with an 8. 1, 2, 3, crash. Actually, I'm gonna hold that up there real quick and unplug these hoses. Gosh dang, my hair is so fucking long. It's trying to rip my GoPro off my head. All right, so now the deck lid can come off. One last bolt. Now I've got my deck lid that I can just take off. We don't need that no more. Let me grab my new deck lid. All right, let's install. Gonna slap that on that shock, and then I'm gonna bolt one bolt up so that way it stays. One. To install that shock. There we go. Now I'll get the other bolts and tighten it all the way. Might be stripped, but like, who cares? All right, and a plug-a-do in there. All right, so that should be everything. Now all I gotta do is push these clips back down into place. All right, there's that. Now I gotta push this clip down. Easy. Like a Sunday morning. And now I'm going to get the screwdriver adapter and put my license plate on. All right, and install like so. Bam. Wow, actually looks a lot better. Fiberglass right here isn't in the best condition, but honestly, it don't matter. It'll look good eventually. All right, well, no more holes for the spoiler. It looks way better than the red. Honestly, it looks dope just gray. Put the 8 back in place. Put the 10 back in place. Put this back in place for the spark plug. Put this back in place. Put this back in place. Close. Finish. Done. Ow. And it bit me. And the trunk works. Yeah, jamming. So, she looking good. Yes, looks great. Dang. Wow, it's turning into something that might actually be cool. Well, let me grab my trunk. I'm gonna put these in my backyard.